What a wonderful day, night, afternoon, wherever you are right now. 10K. Why should you embark? What can it do for you? Well, when you look at our system that was given to us, you got to understand that it entails a lot. See? I'm not going to show you every card. These are all hand drawn. That's what they are. And then they were left the way they were, and then put into cards. Well, what happens if I don't believe in that? Well, it doesn't matter. That's what's so special about these cards. Well, it's against my religion. Well, 10K teaches that according to who? So when you make a statement, you gotta know if it's the highest truth, and that brings you to this word called God. It's misused most of the time. It has to be given to give without a cause to give, to just understand that it just is. That's it. So if you're going through a hard time right now, this is the best time. Oh, I'm going to get a reading. This isn't for me. This is against all my rules, my family, my this, my that. My this, my that? What does that even mean when you go to speak? So 10K embarks on this intellect of your left side of your brain, your right side of your brain, starts to understand that everything is an energy. No tarot reader in the world can talk about this deck because they never studied this deck. The only way they can talk about it after they decide if it was for them or not. See the difference? And just because someone says it wasn't for them, that isn't the truth. How many times did you disagree in life and turn around and say, well, I don't agree with that, and my God, and your God, and this God? What were you really doing? In 10K, there's no haters, guys. None. Only the ones that want to be. Has nothing to do with us. So, spirituality. Here we go. Everyone right now, if you take some time to breathe and say to yourself that there's things you don't know. Now, if you ask 10K to get you the lottery numbers, don't even ask us. If you're trying to get an X back, then what are you really doing? First, you fix you, and then you learn. You have to try to look at things on a different type of level. So let's go right now, past, present, and future. So what is the present card for everybody? Wow, a blank card. See, this deck talks to everyone, but you need to know how to read it. So a blank card means that there's only so many in the deck, and whatever you've been trying to fix, it's already fixed in the spiritual realm. It just has to be put down in a sequence that's not going to affect you from the drama that you already instilled and the emotions that you have. Cosmic bond. Cosmic bond. The past. Cosmic bond. What in your past cosmic bond caused you to have issues? Say to yourself, I delete them now. I let go. Now in your future, this is for everyone, you need balance. So to be in the present moment, you need to be at a blank slate, a level that you can move. So for everyone today, you all received a blessing, a healing. Of course, these cards, when you put them in a sequence, they heal your past, present, future. They connect to your epigenetics even of you, and it brings this divine light that every 3 cards is the most amazing feeling, only if you allow that feeling. And sometimes you get it, but you deny it yourself. So under the blank card, the Moon Fairy. You know, the moon has been made out to be the most spookiest, the most scariest, crazy nights, and full moons, and this and that, and this is what it does. Well, that's fear. The moon's full all the time, except that you only see a fraction of it. But I, since I was little, used to tell people, you can't see the whole moon. I see it. I never understood that until I got older. Same thing like the sun really isn't yellow, right? So the moon has a lot of deceptions. And when you look at theology, you have to break free from this and that, and understand that every practice comes from an era and a time. And people study all different systems, but you need to be able to be free warning. Now, our warning isn't really a scary thing. If you don't have balance and you don't delete the negative of what you think all the scariness of the moon is, you can't have a good cosmic bond. And then this blank slate becomes a delusion, guys. Don't allow that to happen. Say you love yourself. And we're going to see you soon. If you need us, we're here.